In this video, let me show you how to enable or disable rear collision warning, and let me explain how it protects you from tailgaters on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now let's use this upper menu, and let's switch tabs from driving control to the MG Pilot. From MG Pilot, you need to scroll down. Let's scroll down far enough to select here the rear collision warning. Let's read the information and theory about this feature. Here we've got the theory. It monitors area to the rear of the vehicle and alerts the driver when a collision may occur. So I think it's really useful to have this feature enabled, but if you know the theory and you would like to still disable this feature, you can do this just by using this switcher right here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.